As a professional fan ng Zonara, hindi pwedeng dumaan ng mga araw na hindi ko mapapanood yung music video nila ng pula, red. Ngayon ko lang na-realize no, na blue yung SB19 and Zonara is red. Kailangan maglabas din tayo ng yellow para Philippine flag na talaga. Alright, so labas SB19, Zonara nga ngayon. Ano ba? If you're a Zonara fan, subscribe to the channel. Let's check their music video of Pula, man. I've watched this firsthand at the Pure Gold concert, so this is gonna be good, man. All right, it's both of the channels of Onesie and Sonara. Very, very nice. So let's check it out. What the heck? Like the fucking vid. Onesie. Oh, Nami Swan! Bias ko na agad, oh. What do you call this? Nagiging signature na ba ng Zonara yung may TV sila na retro, na vintage TV, yung may likod? Hindi siya flat screen, parang nagiging ano na nila yan, no? Naging signature na nila sa MV nila yan. Very nice. Or sa mga concepts nila, napansin ko lang. Very, very 2000s yung ano nila, yung mga concept nila, no? Mga Walkman, 'di ba? Mga parang mga Avril Lavigne era, mga ganun. Mga emo era. Just maganda. I'm digging it. It's a game. Start. Zonaro! Ina naman nung itsura nila, pare. Ang gaganda. Next level shit, bruh. Never been done before na ganito ka vibrant ng itsura ng artist na damn, usually ano ba merong standard or merong sinusundang ano yung MV, yung dating o itsura ng artist within the MV. Pero ibang klase yung aura nila tsaka yung itsura nila, men. Shoutouts to the red notif na parang may theme pa rin sila na red, which is Zonara. Very nice. Let's go. Look at ito. Fuck, man. Vintage car. Tapos yung reference nila sa kotse na we're gonna rev up. Ang angas talaga. Tapos sabay pahid ng si Megumi. Bias wrecker. Sino ba yung bias wrecker tsaka bias ko? Dalawa na eh. Dalawa lang eh. Kasi nag-decide na talaga ako si Nami tsaka si Megumi. Hindi ko na alam sino yung bias tsaka bias wrecker. O sana yung dalawa. But damn. Tsaka ang sarap pakinggan nung yung word association, wordplay sa pula tsaka pull up in the same chorus, right? Pula pula pula, yun daw yung when they bleed red. Pula pula pula. Tapos ito magre-rev up sila sa kotse nila na red. They're gonna pull up. They're gonna go. Gonna come. Right? Pull up, pull up, pull up. pull up, pull up, pull up. You can definitely hear the same word. Fuck, this is crazy. Ang lupit nito, man. I love it. Ang ganda ng AMV, ang ganda ni Mego, ang ganda nilang lahat. What the f... Let's go. They're definitely baddies, man. What the freaking F? Pagkausok ng sasakyan, no? Talagang pag-angat nilang gano'n, man. Chicks lahat! Chicks! And that's a compliment.
Aiming for a honey, we gonna go and skirt, skirt, skirt. We moving round the clock, yeah, we keep going, no hesitations. Feel our energy, can nobody hold us. Matindi, yeah, we lit, marikit in the spin, yeah.
And there's sprinkles of P-pop right there. I mean, OPM words, Filipino words. I really love it. Kung gaano ka on point yung pag-switch ng English to Filipino, and that's difficult to do, man. That's hard to do. Yung mga ganong pagpitik-pitik ng mga Tagalog words. I love to hear those kind of things. Medyo biased talaga ako when it comes to Filipino lyricism. Especially dapat meron talagang ganong nakalagay when it comes to P-pop. In my own book, of course, my own opinion, meron dapat pitik ng English words. Para sa akin lang naman. Kaya napakaganda nito. Wait lang, na-mute ko. Pindot kasi na pindot.
Marikit in the spin, yeah. Looking down and notice everything. Irresistible blessing, sitting on what it will bring. All the time is
Sa pag-akyat niya daw sa bundok, yung mga bruises, yung mga pasa daw, blessing pa rin yun dahil yun yung pinagdaanan mo. They got bars! They got bars! Eto na, pre. This is the peak of lyricism where lyrics matter over bullshit, over gimmicks, over colorist shit. Lyrics matter. This is it, man. I love it.
down and notice everything. Irresistible blessing, sitting
Climbing up, I notice everything, di ba? Kasi pakyat sila sa hagdan ngayon. So nakikita nila yung mga pasa, man, along the way. Minsan masakit siya, but they're thinking, blessing pa rin to. Kasi hindi ko pagdadaanan to kung hindi ako aakyat, eh. Di ba? Pwede naman ako magstay sa baba in my comfort zone, but I'm not gonna do that shit because I'm not gonna achieve anything. So I have to climb up. At kung magkasugat, magkagalos, okay, blessing yan. Dahil may ginagawa ako para sa sarili. At para sa bayan, amen. I mean, bow. Let's go! Ang lupit nun. Curve, subscribe, man. Ang dami kong sinabi. Let's go!
looking down and notice everything. Irresistible blessing, sitting on what it will bring. All the time is spent, it passes by, by, by. Never thought we'd make it out alive.
Wow!
On the way up, ain't no stopping us 'cause we will never fall apart. No, I don't have to worry about anything. I got my
I've seen a couple of Von Dutch merch here. Are they sponsored? Ha? Ha?
girls on my back and I'm already winning.
Aww. Ang lupit. Ang ganda nung MV. Alam mo yung nahihirapan sila. They're struggling. Meron silang mga hardships here, obviously. Kasi ang ganda na pagka-portray sa music video na may inaayos silang kotse, tapos clearly frustrated na si sino nga to? Nakita ko si Megumi lang na ano sa utak ko eh. Kalimut. First bias namin ni Commander, nakalimutan ko pangalan. Fuck, man. Ang dami pumapasok sa isip ko, si Megumi lang talaga. Basta si Cortina girl. Yung nagkurtina sa Wish Bus, yung ano niya. Bias namin dati una eh. Yun nga, she's getting frustrated na hindi naayos, hindi umaandar. Tapos Megumi here with the moral support, saying na, chill ka lang girl, I got you. Tapos tinawanan na lang nila yung problema. Diba? Napakaganda ng connection ng MV sa kanta. That's really good.
About anything. I got my girls on my back and I'm already winning.
pre, ang lupit sa ano, dito sa bandang climax na they did it. Nag-start yung kotse at biglang may sayaw dito, man, ang perfect nun. Ang perfect nun, ang sarap tingnan nun.
I was different animal, iba kasi animal. Di ka uri mo, me and my girls we really rad. Everywhere we step becomes a red town.
Ang ganda ng instrumentation. Parang siyang hip-hop song, tapos ang sarap ng instrumentation na nakakakalma, pare. Contradicting, pero alam mo yung pakiramdam, parang magical. What the heck? Pula, 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 di maaapula. What the fuck? Sino to? Dom, Tin, Megumi. Shit, tangina, nakalimutan ko na agad. Sabi ko sa inyo, meron akong short-term memory loss eh. Ilang araw lang akong hindi nag-stream, hindi nag-record, nakalimutan ko na yung mga pangalan. Nami, Dom, Tin, Megumi. Nakalimutan ko talaga. Ang main concern ko talaga, yung short hair eh. Shit, nakalimutan ko. What the fuck? Okay, next time. That's done, man. You win! Nami. Di ba umandar na? Out of the comfort zone, out of the garage. That's crazy. Alright, so search natin. Zonara members. Di ako makatulog. Fuck that. Yurika, Megumi, Nami, Ella. Yeah. Dominic, Chin, and Lay. Yurika! Yurika, hype ka. Pinirapan mo ako. Oh, meron na pala dito. Yurika, leader. May nakala ko ba walang leader? Meron pala. So that's it, guys. Yun na, naalala ko na ulit yung members. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That was an amazing music video. Honestly speaking, I didn't expect it to be that wonderful. Hindi ko talaga in-expect na ganun yung kalalabasan ng MV. Honestly, because it's an English song, hindi ako masyadong biased towards an English song. Hindi ako masyadong ma-attach sa tingin ko. But no, it's the other way around kasi I definitely feel something and sobrang saya ko na I feel chemistry between all of these girls and I really love it. I'm looking forward to their journey, man, and I know that they're gonna do it. I just know. So kung fan ka ng Zonara at SB19, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, I'm Curse PH, and you've been amazing.